Growing and maintaining a lush green lawn all year round is not easy to achieve. It takes trial and error, consistency, patience, a lot of tender love and care, and more water than you realize. If you want a nice lawn and would like to avoid the effort and cost that is required to grow grass, then artificial grass is your solution. Keeping live grass thriving is a combination of choosing the right type of soil, fertilizer, regular watering, aerating the soil, mowing, pests, and weed control. Not to mention the amount of money that goes into keeping it healthy. Gone are the days when fake grass looked like a green plastic carpet that only resembled live grass slightly. With recent advances, there are now plenty of different options to choose from that can contribute to any home's outdoor aesthetics. Artificial grass remains evergreen and will look perfectly manicured, without the need for water, a valuable resource for mankind. What's more, many variations of this type of grass are designed to withstand the harshest weather conditions and can also dry up quickly after rain, avoiding the muddy issues that come with real grass. Let's explore more benefits of going for artificial grass for your outdoor space. Aesthetically pleasing. This grass now comes in different designs, with some looking surprisingly close to real. They come in a variety of colors and textures that suit your needs and how you would like your outdoor space to look. This means your garden can be photo-ready at any time of the year. Low maintenance. One of the biggest pains of having a natural lawn is the inconsistency of the grass in certain parts. Brown patches, weeds, and uneven tones are sometimes unavoidable and take time and patience to resolve. With fake grass you can enjoy the greenery of your lawn without the hassle of dealing with any of these inconveniences. Water conservation. As a country that struggles with water shortages, artificial grass stands out as a promising option for homeowners. A lawn requires volumes of water regularly to stay healthy and green. With fake grass, you don't have to stress about saving your used water or spending extra money for water on your monthly bill. Eliminates allergic reactions. Allergies to grass pollen are very common and can take the fun out of having a lawn. For many people, it brings on symptoms like sneezing, a runny nose, itchy eyes and even coughing. What's better than having the best of both worlds without suffering or constantly worrying about exposure to grass pollen? Long-term enjoyment. Unlike real grass, which needs to be revived to regrow, the fake kind can last up to 15 years with good maintenance. It is important to clean it once in a while to keep debris or dirt from accumulating. Choosing high-quality fake grass that will not be damaged by the weather is very important to its longevity. Many different varieties. There are many kinds of fake grasses in the market for different uses. The most popular one is polyethylene. It is a popular choice for residential grass and has a natural look and feel. There is even one designed with pets in mind, which is dense and tough enough to withstand your pet's paws and scratches. Other kinds can withstand high temperatures and weight without losing shape. The benefits of fake grass go way beyond just how it looks. It is an investment that will continue to benefit you for many years to come. Thanks to advancements in technology, everyone can have a realistic low-maintenance, water-saving, and consistently beautiful lawn. And you won't have to worry about mowing over the weekend either.